Good afternoon, students. Welcome to e-learning class. Students, this is your computer period. As you know that we have started lesson number 9, MS Paint. I have discussed some points, and now today I will explain uh, the ribbon of MS Paint. Under this, I will explain some more points. So open your computer book, page number 84. So open your computer book and start your reading book. Students, I hope you all have opened your computer book, page number 84. Today we continue the same topic, that is ribbon, and lesson number 9. Lesson name is MS Paint. We have discussed some point. We have discussed in previous some points under the ribbon in paint. We have discussed free from selection, select, eraser, fill with color, color picker, magnifier, and last one is pencil. I hope you all have understood very well. So if you have any problem, you will ask me. I will explain once again also. Now students, today we start new point, that is brushes. It is a set of painting brushes. See in this picture, when you open MS Paint, then you will see in the ribbon box, this is your ribbon, this is your brush. When you click this paint brush, you will open the some options. This is different type of brushes. If whatever you brush select, you will draw here the painting, and then if you will color the paint. Then next airbrush. Using this tool, you may paint just like a spray painting brush. Students, when you select the airbrush and when you select from here any brushes, you select the brushes. After that, you will select the color and come with this picture and click the right button. Then your flower will select it, color it. Okay. Now next point is text. If you want to write some text, you can use this tool. Now when you draw the picture and color it, after that you will give the name of that picture. What is it? This is a flower. So you will write flower. First you select the uh, text tool. After that, when you select the text tool, this will appear. You will write the name of that picture. You will write the flower. Now next is line. You can draw a straight line with the help of this tool. After that, you will select the shapes. When you select the shapes, this picture will open. You will select straight line, curved line, whatever the pattern you will select it will draw it here. Is that clear? Now move to next page, that is page number 86. Curve. This allow you to create curved shape Use it as a freehand drawing tool. Curve for even in previous point, that is a line, you will select the line, it will draw it like this. Now next is curve line. Next when you select the curve line, this curve drawing will appear here, and we can use freehand drawing also. Rectangle. This draw rectangle. Also, a square can be drawn with using it by holding down the shift key while dragging. So students, after that, after curve tool, you will select the rectangle tool. When you select the rectangle tool, you will bring here mouse pointer here, and drag it the downwards. So your square rectangle shape will draw. Now come to next page, that is 87. Star. It draws a star. When you select the star tool, you will draw it here, star. Now next point is oval. It helps you to draw an oval shape, also used to draw a circle by holding down the shift key while dragging. After that, when you will draw the oval shape, you will select the oval shape and press the shift key and drag the mouse. Your oval shape will draw like this. Is that clear? Now move to next page, that is 87. Rounded rectangle. This tool is used to draw a rounded cornered rectangular box. Use the shift key and draw rounded cornered rectangle. Students, when you select the rectangle shape rounded, you will press the shift key and drag your mouse. Your rectangular rounded shape will draw like this. Now you have been familiar with the tools of paint, and you can make drawing of your choice. Okay, you all know the tools of the paint. Now you will draw a diagram of your choice. Whatever you draw, you will draw it. You will draw in MS Paint. If you have a computer, you will practice it. Now next point is color palette. As it was told earlier that there is a color palette that shows various colors, you can choose any color to apply on your drawing just by clicking on it. When you draw a diagram, for example, you will draw a rectangular rounded box. Okay, and now you will color it. Then you will select the color, any color from here, color palette. When you select any color, it will shows here. Okay, now you will select the color, any color, and after that you will come this here with your paintbrush. Now click the left side button. Okay, when you click the left side button, your box will colored it. Okay. Now last point is changing tools thick and thin. Now here you will change the tools thick and thin. You can select the thickness of pencil, brush, eraser, rectangle, oval, line, etc. just by clicking on the correct width thickness as shown below. Come to next page, that is page number 89. See, this is your pencil shades. When you select this shades, if you select this shades and this shades, whatever the shades you will select it will appear here. It will draw on that. If you will select the lighter pencil, when you draw anything, it will draw lighter shades. Is that clear? Now, see this green box. Create a joker using paint with the help of your teacher. Step 1. Create a big circle for his head. You will select the big circle, you will select the circle and drag the mouse whatever the size you will want. Step 2. Create two small circles for his eyes. After that, you will draw a small circle for small circles for the joker's eyes. Step 3. Create one circle for his nose and one for his mouth. Then fourth, create a hat using the curve tool. When you select the curve tool, you will draw the hat. Step 5. Create a dress using the curve tool. You also draw a dress with the help of curve tool. Step 6. Fill appropriate color using fill with color tool. After that, you will fill the color with the help of fill with color tool. Step 7. Make polka dots using the brush on his hat. You will use a brush and you will use the color whatever you will want. Then you will go to that hat, and when you click here left hand with the help of left button, you will click then dot like this and this. Now step 8. Make strips using the eraser. You will use the eraser also. See in this picture, this is your eraser. You will select the eraser and you will click the left side button and drag it. It will erase it. So strips using the eraser. Step 9. Create blush using the spray tool. You will use the spray tool for blush. Step 10. Select text tool and write joker below your drawing. Okay, you will select the text tool and you will write the joker. Is that clear? Now congratulations, you have created a joker. Now don't forget to save the file. Okay, so students, I hope you all have understood very well. Your explanation part will completed here. Now tomorrow we will start exercises. So be ready with your pencil, copy, eraser. Okay. If you have any problem, you will ask me. And those who have computer at home, please use the paintbrush daily. and draw some pictures and show it to me. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.